Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Xiaomi 12S Pro, and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So first of all we have to find our contact, so let's enter the contact list and tap on the one you'd like to edit. Now we have to tap on edit contact and pick this kind of profile icon, let's say. So here we've got two different options from which we can choose. We can either take a photo and then your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her. Or you can choose a photo from the gallery, and I will pick this option. Now we have to find the photo, and as you can see from this step we can change the position of this highlighted square. We can zoom it in or out, resize it, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this area is responsible for it. If you're ready, tap on OK. As you can see, this photo has been applied, so remember to tap on save in the right upper corner, and this is how our contact looks like. You will be able to see this photo, for example, on the contact list or during all incoming calls from that number. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to add the photo to contact in your Xiaomi 12S Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.